Beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I make a super stable white buttercream that is easy to color and easy to work with. Without further ado, let's get right into it. In a clean bowl, you would add 400 grams of Crisco, that is vegetable shortening, and then you would put it in your stand mixer and beat it until it is light and fluffy. You want it to be very light and very fluffy. And when it is fully incorporated, you would use 1 kg icing sugar to mix the vegetable shortening, 2 tablespoons of water to loosen the consistency if it's too thick. Please go slow on the water. 2 tablespoons should serve. Any clear flavoring of your choice will do, vanilla or coconut, because in this video I use coconut flavor. You can use it. At a point the light was taken and I had to do the mixing with my hand and a turning spoon, but you don't need much energy. It's just for you to incorporate the icing sugar and the shortening, nothing much. So when you do that, you'd have a very nice buttercream ready to be used, and you can easily color this because you don't need to be stressing too much because you have a base to work with. You can use it as white and you can use it for easy color. You don't stress too much when you are coloring it. It just works very fantastic. And basically that's it. Icing sugar 1 kg, shortening 400 grams, a teaspoon of flavor, 2 tablespoons of water, and you're good to go.